G'day. Let's talk about straps to hold your snare wires onto your snare drum. Before I start, just like to let you know I am independent. If you value an independent voice and an independent opinion, please subscribe to my channel. It really genuinely does make a big difference. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, then I know you like this video. That's actually very helpful too. Alright, let's talk about straps. For your snare wire, you know the ones they attach to your snare wire, just so you can drop them off and the whole snare wire doesn't come off, presumably, or you can put it back on. Fantastic invention, right? Alright, well, you can get the bits of nylon stringless. I'll talk much more about that. I'm sure some people in the comments will tell me later how wonderful the nylon string is. For the rest of us, let's talk about some real straps. What can we have? We can have the cloth ones. We can have the plastic ones. Personal favourite? I really like the cloth ones. I think they're just strong and they're very gentle on your shell. And you know, modern finishes, you don't really want them scratched up. So personally, I'd go that. So, you're wanting to make one on the fly, stuck at a gig, for some reason you've discovered your strap's broken. Gosh, if you've only discovered it then you're in trouble, aren't you? Anyway, well, you just want to replace it to make it look good, right? Yep, you can go to the shop, you can buy it. They're pretty relatively inexpensive. Or, you know, you just can save a bit of change and put it to something else, like have a beer at the gig. Me personally, I like making it because, well, I've made it. So, for the cloth ones, I just go down to the haberdashery shop, easier when you say fast, and I just buy a length of ribbon. I buy it in black because black's my favourite colour. You may have a different favourite colour, favourite colour, buy it in that colour, it doesn't matter. Cut it to length. There you go, that's a bit short, but anyway, give you the idea. There it is, there's your strap, made. Okay, if you want to not have a frayed end, don't be afraid if you don't want to have a frayed end. You can always just fold it over. Ooh, can you see that? You can fold it over like that, put a bit of glue on it, forget about it for a while, glue hardens and you've got a nice finished one. There you go, there's your cloth one made. Or you could be out at a festival, they issue you these little cloth things, they're the rage, better than the paper ones by the way, people are doing festivals, get these cloth ones. Now I like the cloth ones because, well, there's my snare strap and I can put them on my snare and they announce to everybody else, yep, I've been to that festival too. How cool is that, right? So, been to a festival, got your ribbon one, keep it for your snare drum. If your mate's been to the festival and you haven't, grab his, put it on your snare drum, it'll look better. Alright, the other one, plastic, where is it? Plastic. Nice, strong. You know, it's just your drumhead plastic, mylar I think they call it. You probably pronounce it differently in your country. If you want to make a comment about that, go to somebody else's channel, I don't want to know. Anyway, there it is. Get your drumhead. Replica one, there's another video to come with what you can do with your drumheads. Anyway, same thing. Go back to your scissors, snippy, 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 snippy. Cut the ends off square, and there it is. One strap made of plastic. It isn't hard, is it? And it's really easy to do. You save $1 or $2. And you know what? It's better for the environment. Alright, Bob out.